The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Boom, watch a monster, man. Boom, buckler. Right upon him, scammer. Go right upon him there. See what we see in a free one water to post it. Look where we are die monks. Go right down upon him, scammer. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. The creature there. Satan come alive. Look, scammer. Into long me, you know. Go there. Bumbo clot. Come on. Look on the bumbo clot sitting there. Watch man. Go there. No ask man. No man. No reverse. Go there. Bumbo clot. God, watch man. Yo. Watch. Look, man. Look on the tail. Go there. No dog. There, dog. Bumbo clot. God, look on this man. Can I jump on him now? Yo, you afraid? You murder this bumbo clot, yeah. No, come now. Come now. Now make bumbo clot this shit today. Pass the glass. Hold it. The brave bumbo clot open. Dolly open at the best, I know. Put it. Monster.
Over the boat, boy.
Jump on him. Never. Give out, I'll go by it. Step up.
Viewers and subscribers, this is Seriousskilla, you see? And I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before we present those videos to you, I want to say something very quick and fast about what had happened in this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, what I saw in this video is someone that jumped into the water with a dangerous fish. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, that's what I saw. You see me? Now, some persons on social media say it's a shark. You see me? But whether if it is a shark or a whale or whatsoever, even if it's a dolphin, I would not attempt to do something like that, especially if I am not, somebody that has to do with, the exploration of marine lives. You see me? Because you have persons out there where it is their occupation to do those kind of things. That's what I'm saying to you. But however, this is my point of view, and you can tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, but I would not do what I just saw in this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. You see me? And I would like to encourage each and everyone out there that they should not do something like this because it is dangerous. You see what I'm saying to you? Again, me I go say if it's your occupation or if it is something that you study to do or train to do, I understand. You might be legally or you might be certified to do something like this. Yes, I understand that. But may I tell you my point of view? I wouldn't do this, and I would like to encourage persons out there that they should not do something like this. And if you're certified to do something like this, or if it's your occupation, then me still have a point it out, say that it's dangerous. You see me? Alright, well anyways, now I'm gonna move on to another video right about now, your viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. So big up to those persons. You see me? Alright, so the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show off, reptiles that, somehow ended up at a place where persons are at, at a place where they're swimming in the pool and hanging out around the pool side. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, what had happened in this video? Alright, now I'm going to present this video to you right about now, viewers and subscribers. And for those who might not like to see something like this, you see me? Because you have persons out there that will scream and go, and run up and down, you see me? So may I make sure I'm one on the right about now that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look, observe, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. happened in that short video a while ago, viewers and subscribers, you know, persons on social media, some find it funny, some laughing, and I say, what them would I do, and all these things. But listen to me now. I know that persons out there, they are afraid of these things. You know, you have some persons out there afraid of these reptiles and so forth. But, you know, I would like to let everyone out there know that it is against the law in many places throughout the world, many countries throughout the world. It's against the law to harm these animals. You see what I'm saying to you? Or you can say reptiles. You understand? So therefore, as long as you can get out of their way, get out of their way. Do not attempt or do not hurt these reptiles or any animals. You see me? Whether it wants to be fish, this or that, you name it, don't hurt them. Alright? Again, me I say it's against the law in many countries out there in the world. You understand me? And overall too, it's the right thing to do. You understand? Yeah, and you ever hear a person say, boy, them go want hurt me, but that don't make it right. You see me? So once you see them and if they might do something and you know you can get out of the way, just get out of the way. You understand? And that's my best advice towards something like this. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, me I go move on to the final videos right about now. You see me? Because basically I'm going to put together, you know, some videos that is going to show off persons giving directions. You see me? In the country of Jamaica. Now viewers and subscribers, you listen to me now. When Jamaica people give direction, not all of them, but some of them, their method of giving directions, like them I tell you how to find a place, it's totally funny some of the times. You understand? Yeah, so somehow, you know, these videos, it's out on social media where persons find it funny. Some persons basically say other things, you see me? So you can let me know what you think about these videos as well, alright? Now, take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, I don't know, Singer, man. Give me a direction.
When you leave from here, yes, sir, it's Peckham, Janza. Yes, sir, it's Peckham, Janza, coming from Mawugoli. I husband, sister living here in Crito can reverse. If you turn back and see a straight, going up straight, you're going to go to one wall. So, like you go over another bridge, but a lower descentment, you know, have no top, they make it a lower bridge. When you go on a rocky, as you go on your tie cross and you go on, you see, as you look before you, so you look up, so you see Janza, Silver Spring, the post office is just down, and you look at one shop, stop, and Nadine live there. So we have everybody name in Janza, just get all information, and Nadine just show you. And Gary just chuck this out in front, so down at the post office, a park, down there, and all the guys are there, and good at it, and one day little small truck, you don't want nothing more, style it, you can't take it down. Proper information, no doubt.
Just tell me one time again.
Yeah, I'm going to have to go back so. And pass this station and go over the bridge and go so. Go back so.
So?
Yeah, and you go down to Union. We are going to go there. You can't even pass the bridge. No way where you put on this and they will show you follow the road is straight. So they will show you again. But we just go across the bridge and go down.
Okay.
Just send for you straight and go on.
Got it.
Nobody turn.
Just go over.
Just pass the Balaclava station and go over the bridge and follow. Straight go on.
Yeah.
And you go down. You see you pass like you pass one man they call father. And you see one head up road gone down. You don't follow it and go straight that down in a Union way. But you don't go back so. You take you one way gone so and go on.
Alright.
And it's okay you go there.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I'm going out there on social media and all these things. You see me? Yeah, and you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And right here is where me leave it. You see me? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. Tin.